Good morning, everyone, from the National Weather Service in Pocatello, Idaho. This is your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, September 24th. Our key points for the day: it's going to be another chilly start to the morning under clear skies with lows in the 30s across our lower elevations. We do have another frost advisory in effect for the Snake Plain through 9 a.m. this morning. And high pressure will be in control early this week, with temperatures trending warmer through tomorrow. And tomorrow will be the warmest day of the week, with also light to breezy winds. And then heading further into this week, a west coast system will bring cooler, windier, and wetter conditions. And although dry conditions are expected for much of the week, with only slight chances for precipitation across our northern mountains, more widespread precipitation chances will arrive by the weekend time frame. Here's a current look at satellite imagery. So the low pressure system off the coast here is bringing in some moisture into the Pacific Northwest, and that will translate to probably few to scattered mid to upper level clouds today, filling in from west to east during the morning and daytime time frame today. The weather risk outlook over the next several days: again, that morning frost advisory for the Snake Plain. And other than that, for the first couple of days of the week, we're just looking at increasingly breezy winds, especially come Tuesday as a cold front moves through. And like I mentioned, the slight chances for showers in just our northern mountain zones. So mostly the central mountains and then the Island Park area all the way up through Thursday. So here's the visual for our watches and warnings: that frost advisory for the lower and upper Snake Plain, as well as the Arco Desert area. And again, that's through 9 a.m. this morning, with temperatures as low as 33 degrees. And our high temperatures for today, continuing that warming trend. There'll be a few degrees within normal. So the upper 60s and 70s for the Snake Plain and Magic Valley, and then a little bit cooler for our highlands and of course our mountains. And winds today just slightly breezy, especially for the central mountains, mostly in the 15 to 25 mile per hour range. And temperatures tomorrow, a little bit warmer, and so it is looking like temperatures could stay above 36 degrees, so we may get away without the frost potential tomorrow morning. We'll have to continue to assess that for our growing zones. Otherwise, that's for our minimum temperatures, and then for our highs, increasing to above normal. This will be our warmest day of the week tomorrow. And winds increasing just a little bit, for our ridge lines getting into the 30 or above mile per hour range, and then more widespread 20 miles per hour or so for our maximum winds. And temperatures Tuesday, we will have warmer minimum temperatures during the morning time frame, but as that low moves further east, we will see a cold front passage and our temperatures will start to decrease Tuesday moving forward. So we'll enter that below normal territory heading into later week. And our winds will really pick up Tuesday associated with that cold front, especially further north. Winds further south, potentially exceeding 20 miles per hour, but definitely further north into the central mountains and Montana Divide area, 30 to 40, potentially higher mile per hour wind gusts associated with that frontal passage. And looking forward, and we'll continue to get into this in the days ahead, but for our 6 to 10 day outlook, we are looking at above normal precipitation as well as below normal temperatures. So just to summarize, again, we're going to be chilly this morning. We do have the frost advisory in effect for the Snake Plain through 9 a.m. Other than that, the next couple days will be fairly quiet. We are trending warmer through tomorrow, and winds will be light to breezy. And then heading further into the week, a low off the west coast will bring a cooler, windier, and wetter pattern, with only slight chances for precipitation in our northern mountain zones through late week, and then looking at a wetter scenario for the entirety of southeast Idaho by the weekend time frame. Thanks so much for listening. As always, if you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to email or call us, and hope you enjoy your day.